Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to LangGraph. Crafting complex, stateful AI workflows. Imagine your AI is like a smart assistant. Sometimes, simple questions get simple answers. What's the weather? It's sunny. Easy. But what if you want your assistant to do something complicated? Like plan a trip, compare options, and then book tickets? A simple back and forth isn't enough. LangGraph is a special tool designed for exactly this, helping your AI think and act in more complex, step-by-step ways, just like a human plans. Think about a regular chatbot. You ask a question, it gives an answer. It's like talking to a vending machine. You put in money. Question. You get a snack. Answer. But what if you need to build an AI that can reason, make decisions, use tools, and remember past interactions? For example, an AI that helps you debug code, requiring it to ask questions, run tests, read documentation, and then suggest a fix. Simple chatbots can't handle this flow of actions. We need a way to orchestrate these steps. A workflow is just a fancy word for a series of steps or tasks that need to be completed in a specific order. For AI, a complex workflow means your AI doesn't just respond. It does things. It might 1. Understand your request. 2. Search the internet for information. 3. Summarize what it found. 4. Ask you a clarifying question. 5. Generate a creative response based on all this. This entire journey, with all its stops and decisions, is a complex AI workflow. Imagine talking to someone who forgets everything you said a second ago. Frustrating, right? In AI, stateful means your AI remembers the asterisk context and history of your interaction. It knows what happened in previous steps of the workflow. This memory is crucial for complex tasks. If your AI is planning a trip, it needs to remember your budget, your preferred dates, and where you want to go. LangGraph makes it easy for your AI to maintain this state or memory throughout its entire workflow. LangGraph works like a flowchart for your AI. Nodes. The steps. Asterisk. Think of nodes as individual action points or decisions your AI can make. A node could be search the web, summarize text, ask user a question, or generate code. Each node performs one specific job. Edges. The paths. Asterisk. Edges are the arrows connecting these nodes, showing the flow. They dictate when and where your AI moves next. An edge might say, if the search results are good, go to summarize text. If not, go to ask user a question. This creates dynamic, smart paths for your AI. So, your AI starts at a beginning node, based on its state, what it remembers, and the result of the current node's action. LangGraph decides which edge to follow. This means your AI isn't just following a rigid script. It's making choices and adapting its path based on the situation. It's like giving your AI a GPS that can reroute based on traffic, not just a static map. This allows for truly intelligent and dynamic behavior. With LangGraph, developers can build incredibly powerful AI agents, customer support agents, asterisk that can diagnose problems, access knowledge bases, and even escalate to a human. Research assistants, asterisk that gather information, summarize, compare, and present findings. Creative partners, asterisk that help brainstorm ideas, draft content, and refine proposals. Personalized tutors, asterisk that adapt their teaching style and content based on student progress. It turns simple AI tools into sophisticated, multitasking assistants. For developers, LangGraph provides a clear way to define these nodes and edges using code. You'll essentially be drawing that flowchart with programming instructions. You define what each node does. E.g., call an LLM, use a tool, and then you define the rules for the edges. E.g., if result is X, go to Y. It's about structuring your AI's thought process in a robust, manageable, and scalable way. No complex AI math needed. Just good old software development principles applied to AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.